Hey guys, welcome back to the series of HTML. In the previous video, we have learned about the basic structure of creating a HTML page, and in this video, we will learn about the heading tags and the paragraph tags. So let's get started. Alright, the HTML headings are the titles or the subtitles that you want to display in the web page. That means for every information you take, there will be a main heading or the subheading, or some small headings too. So, how could you define them? In HTML, we have 6 types of headings starting from H1 to H6. So if you want to give a main heading in your web page, then you can use the H1 tag. That means H1 is used for the most important headings, and whereas the H6 is used for the least important headings. So let me create all the heading tags and show you the difference between them. Less than H1 greater than hello world, less than slash H1 greater than. And this is the syntax to create a tag. And now I'll simply copy this and paste it for 5 times, and now I'll change the tag name. So this will be 2 and this will be 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I'll change the other side too. So save this file and refresh the browser. So you can see the difference in font size with the headings. The H1 tag has the biggest font size compared to the other heading tags. And now I'll clear all these headings and just keep the H1 heading. So we have the main heading, and if you want to write a paragraph under this, I'll use a paragraph tag. And to create a paragraph tag, the tag name is just the letter P. That is less than P greater than and less than slash P greater than. And now you can write your data inside this paragraph tag. So let me enter a sentence that this is a paragraph tag. And now I'll save this file and see the output in the browser. And yes, we have the heading and a line under this heading. So that's about the heading tags and the paragraph tags. So that's it for now. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.